Hey guys, it's Kathy the Crafty Chica, and I'm going to show you how to make these gorgeous Sacred Heart cupcakes. Okay, here's what you need. Store-bought or home-baked mini cupcakes, and then some fondant from the craft store or a cake decorating store. You'll also need a little roller and a heart-shaped cookie cutter, and my favorite Mexi-Sprinkles. Alrighty, let's set this all up. Start by putting a little bit of shortening on your hands and rolling the fondant into a ball. Roll it out flat, and then if you want, you can use a brand new craft knife or your cake decorating tools to add decorations, like cutting out shapes for the flames, for the heart. Now, I'm just a hobbyist when it comes to cake decorating, so I'm just kind of winging this, but they came out fabulous. I'm adding on the Mexi-Sprinkles, and I tried to make different types of hearts for all the different cupcakes. And I just kind of eyeballed it, cutting things out, putting them on. It's all edible. However, if you want to save some of the heavier pieces, go ahead, just take it off and then eat the cupcake. But look how cool they look. I also added some iced roses that I bought at the cake decorating store. The Frida, the cactuses, those are all from Mexi-Sprinkles. I have all of the links in the description below, or you can go to craftychica.com to see the full blog post. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you love this tutorial as much as I do, and don't forget to share and subscribe, 2 thumbs up, and for more ideas visit craftychica.com. Thanks guys!